Now, before we get started with Believe in Me, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So, if you are interested, please click that first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab Believe in Me in the second link in the description below at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It shows you how to modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. And everything in this report outlines a very doable, practical application. But you must do it right, and the report explains how to do just that. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. So grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can order it from someone on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price. And you pocket the difference. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income, and it is a recurring passive income, so that's critically important. And bonus number 5 will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. So not only that, you get you receive a high value website, which is high converting, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, the vendors for Believe in Me are Yu Sean and Kelly Lee, and I have been following these 2 people for a long time. And they are 2 prolific creators and vendors for the personal development and self-help niche. They presently have over 32,900 sales on the Warrior Plus platform alone. And Believe in Me will be a hit among your followers, and it comes highly recommended. In a nutshell, Believe in Me teaches the secrets to overcoming self-doubt and cynicism for an empowered life. Now, here are some things you will learn with this product. You'll understand the power of self-belief and its impact on success, the techniques to identify and overcome the roots of self-doubt and cynicism, the strategies for challenging negative thoughts and building self-awareness, practical steps to cultivate a growth mindset and embrace imperfections, methods to build and maintain self-confidence through daily practice, techniques for fostering self-compassion and self-kindness, and you'll understand and heal the inner child within you to address deep-rooted issues. And you will find practical exercises for improving self-trust and self-worth. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg because there's much, much more involved with this particular product. Each chapter includes stunning graphics, as you can see, the power of belief, the boots of self-doubt and cynicism, challenging cynicism, building self-awareness, how to start believing in yourself and embrace your own uniqueness, and much, much more. Now, there are 10 modules, and they include a premium quality ebook, a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, hypnotizing video sales letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics, and license certificates. You also receive fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a PLR powerhouse And bonus number 2 is sales funnel hacks. And bonus number 3 is an unannounced bonus. And all of these bonuses are over and above the bonuses that you will receive from me. Now, the front end product includes all the modules that we talked about and the bonuses. And there are 4 OTOs. The OTO 1 is about $47. And it includes a high quality videos upgrade, high converting upsell page, professional video sales letter, professional slides for all videos, complete video transcripts, an MP3 audio file, an exclusive PLR to Pro upgrade. And you'll receive also mega bonuses with OTO 1. Now, OTO 2 relates to a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer, so you can get 4 of their best-selling PLR packages. And all packages come with full front-end product and pro upgrades. And OTO 3 is a done-for-you installation service, and OTO 4 is a membership site. So it's the Abundance Print VIP membership site where you get early access to the latest PLR products every month. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And as I mentioned, this product comes highly recommended. And before I go, make sure you check out the $10,000 a month opportunity in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business, how to buy services from Fiverr, how to gain reoccurring income, and that's recurring income, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And they'll show you how to drive traffic after you purchase PLR. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you again next time.